solve the equation for us. Once again, the equation is 18 plus 10. Let's see if Rocky can do this. Come on, Rocky. And Rocky gets the first number correct. How about the second number? Up to the second number, Rocky. Well, Rocky loves numbers. Okay, I think he's counting. 18 plus 10. Come on, Rocky. You can do it. Okay, I think he knows the answer. And Rocky gets the number 8. So, 18 plus 10 is equal to 3. Kung yan sa ganito hybrid mo to, Rocky, yung trainer na siya. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Just raise your hand and my co-trainer will pick one. Come on guys, don't be shy. Okay, do we have our ready? Please come here in front and join me. Good afternoon, sir. What's your name? How about a round of applause for our volunteer, Sir Edward? Sir, can I have the 500 peso bill? Please follow me. Okay, sir, all you have to do is stop right here, facing this way, and extend your left arm just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Sir, do you have any idea what will happen next? Well, now let's call in our running bird, Buddy. Buddy is also our Moluccan cockatoo. Sir, are you ready? Better be because here comes Buddy. Buddy flies over. And he gets the money. And flies back. And I think Buddy will donate the money. Sir, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also rescue center for birds? No? Well, now you know, and your money will go a long way, and we are very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about 1,000 peso bill this time? Wala na? Hey, sir. Sir Edward, are you okay? Are you sure? Then why you look so sad? Sir, please come back here. We're just kidding. It's just part of the show. Come on, sir. Sir, before Buddy gives your money back, he wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Okay, sir. Face the camera and overreach. Smile. Another one. Now rub on your hands. Nice one, buddy. And here's your money. Buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flying. So here's an example of their amazing flying ability. Meet our Brahmini guy. Here comes Speed. Brahmini guy is scientifically known as Sauliastor indus. 146 species of birds of prey. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and North China, including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Lawin and Bandok in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. How about a round of applause for our Brahmin guys and our homing pigeons? Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take care of our presidency, but also for those who are in landed air as well. Now, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle very good. So here's a lot of word once again. They're going to show us the proper ways of disposal. See, if our landlords can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoy the show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we got. So let me present the birds and the trainers that made the show possible. Trainer JB with Rika. Trainer Mikey with Shadow. Trainer Rochelle with Steve. And again, I'm Trainer April. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain on your seat because we still have a sea lion show. Once again, please remain on your seat and do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.
Bye-bye, birds! Bye-bye, birds!
Babalik sa kulungan. Babalik mo. Mga butcher na kasi. Alagang-alaga. Mabigay ng bangis.
My ways